Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'll be hiking Mont Saint-Grégoire. Let's go. The trail starts with a big parking lot like this, and there's some entry fee. So it's a small loop. It won't be long, but with all the snow around, we have a big storm here. Schools are closed, roads and everything. So that's enough for today. We're expecting over a feet of snow in only a couple hours. So it's snowing a lot here. Big flakes. We're expecting a lot of snow. I've been shoveling a lot too. So today, short hike, white hike, snowshoeing in storm. I just started the trail and I'm already covered in snow. Yeah, it's not too cold. That's what happened, right? When it's snowing, it's not super cold. And when it's white, bright and sunny, it's like -20. Crazy. So I'll do the loop clockwise. And I'll start with the panorama. I'm pretty sure that you do get a view when it's not snowing like this. This short hike is in Quebec. It's actually on the south shore of Montreal in the Monteregian area. Nothing more fun than some stairs when you have snowshoes on. At the small summit, pretty sure we'll have no view. Bring snowshoes if you want to hike this one, because you'll need it. So you get a nice Belvedere point of view, but I don't think I'll have any view. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. It's safe for the kids. Oh, we can see a tiny bit. But I'm pretty sure it's pretty nice. For a very short hike, you can enjoy the view here, have a picnic. Reaching the main summit with the station on top. Here, when you're on top, you will get some point of view pretty much all around, but not today. So usually you have maps like this and it shows you Mount Sutton, so it should be right there. Well, we can't see it now. If you like white fluffy trail, deep snow, big snowflakes, well, that hike was for you. pretty cool. Some type of old truck. You can see the wheel and the motor. That's pretty nice. Wow, that's old. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon.